Hi, I'm Honik Chahal, and I had my hair restoration job done here at Dr. Glojas Clinic. I had it done with Dr. Jazz, and I have come back now for a hair review after a couple of years. I'm just leaving a testimonial just to share firstly how the process was for me and how it's been coming back. The process first, when I first came, I was very nervous. Of course, it's understandable. You are completely uneducated in the field. You look online and you're reading what everyone's saying, and they're all talking. And I did a few different meetings around Kuala Lumpur with different doctors, mostly talking to their nurses a lot of the times because the doctors were too busy. But when I did speak to them, they kind of mentioned very varying information. One saying I need 5,000 grafts, one saying 2,000, one saying only 500. But then they wanted to upsell me more and more. So it was even more disheartening. It felt quite difficult at that time to kind of choose where to go. So I kind of came to Dr. Jazz just through a lot of recommendations. And when I had the meeting, I spoke to him directly. It was very prompt, and he discussed every element of the process.